have another dry day. Highs reach the low to mid-90s, but feel like temperatures 102 to 107. Fair to partly cloudy skies tonight in the mid-70s, and partly sunny tomorrow. We start to see more afternoon shower and thunderstorm activity with a high of 93, and that pattern holds right through the weekend. Partly sunny, scattered afternoon showers and storms that'll be heavy in spots. Gonna have to keep an eye to the sky again with highs in the lower 90s. And Monday, more afternoon showers and thunderstorms with a high near 90. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Burrish. Join me today beginning at 5 p.m. on CBS 47 and Fox 30 Action News Channel.
The center of Aurora on the WOKV weather radar is now over Fort Polk, South Louisiana, and starting to see some of the intense rain bands over Alexandria, Winfield, and into Shreveport as well. North of I-10 as the storm is continuing to move north and northeast gradually at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. And Mike was saying earlier, kind of like Hurricane Michael a couple of years ago in the Panhandle, where it cut a path of destruction for a long period of time into Georgia, because it's moving faster than most tropical systems. Here, high and dry, mostly sunny and 82 degrees in Mayport. 79 at Jacksonville Severe Weather Station.
Now, Safe Touch Security First Alert Traffic.
Drivers leaving downtown here, Sherry with the FDOT 501 Traffic Center.
Yeah, a couple of crashes to watch out for. 95 southbound. They're both on the right shoulder, one at the San Marco ramp and another one closer to Bow. But no delays, and your ride from I-10 out to Butler is still only 8 minutes.
Hey, we're leaving downtown on I-95 northbound. That crash taking out the two right lanes between 8th Street and Ellicott Parkway has been there since 6 o'clock this morning. Still taking out those two right lanes. No major delays, though. It's adding 5 minutes to your drive up to Airport Road. With Jacksonville's most frequent traffic, I'm Brian Riley.
Helping people financially who lost their job during the pandemic, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis says the state is going to be a part of a new federal unemployment program. And WOKV's Stephen Ponson will look at the requirements to sign up for the new program.
That's ahead as Jacksonville's morning news continues at 7:51.
Garber Auto Mall. All American, all in one place. Visit GarberAutomall.com.
I never knew my home would become my workplace. I never dreamed it would be my child's school. And I never imagined my home would be under attack from an invisible enemy called COVID-19. This is why I trust Safe Touch Security. It's one app that puts me in control. My Safe Touch system allows me to control who's on my property, movement while the kids are at home learning their school lessons, who I speak with without even opening the front door, as well as home deliveries, my heating and air conditioning, door locks, complete protection against the threats of fire, burglary, and assault. You know, you can even have control over your car. Know you are safe with the most up-to-date security system from Safe Touch. Safe Touch Security has been doing what others can't for over 35 years. Reliable local monitoring. No other company comes close to Safe Touch's track record on guaranteed response times. Go to safetouch.com and find out how you can get zero down and free equipment with a lifetime warranty. That's safetouch.com.
You have been wanting a new ride. You've been waiting for the right time to strike. Now is the time. Every quality pre-owned car, truck, and SUV and van has been marked way down for you to drive home today. When you buy from Arlington Toyota, it's Rich Jones. You've got to check out Arlington's lot on Atlantic, just east of the East Beltway. Over 750 new and quality pre-owned every day. One waiting for you to drive home. Domestics, luxury vehicles, imports, Toyota certified pre-owned, all priced low and ready to sell at Arlington Toyota. Worried about your credit? You don't have to be, because with Arlington's Credit for Everyone program, if your beacon score is from 450 to 850, Arlington's getting almost everyone approved. And when it comes to total peace of mind, Arlington has got you covered. Their 30-day exchange policy, 30 days to love it or exchange it. There's nothing really to wait for. All pre-owned is on sale right now at Arlington Toyota, 10939 Atlantic Boulevard and arlingtontoyota.com.
Don't miss the gun show this weekend at the Ice and Sportsplex, featuring guns, knives, ammo, and more with concealed weapons classes twice each day. Doors open at 9 a.m. at the Ice and Sportsplex on Phillips Highway just off Emerson, Saturday and Sunday. Buy, sell, and trade. See you at the gun show. The Weather Meter is brought to you by Beards Diamonds, where for a limited time, you can get 5 years, 0 interest financing. Your weekend forecast is coming up with the First Alert 5-day forecast on Jacksonville's Morning News.
7:54 on a sunny and dry Thursday morning, and this weekend is looking a little more normal and familiar for Northeast Florida. That means a return of afternoon storms. Start to increase by tomorrow and into the weekend as well. How many dry hours you can expect is just ahead. more of today's top stories with Jeremy Ratliff.
Now helping Floridians impacted by the pandemic get back on their feet, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis says the state will be a part of the federal Lost Wages Assistance Program.
The governor's office says the program still needs to be approved by the feds, but it would allow the state to offer an extra $300 a week to eligible people already receiving reemployment assistance. The state says to be eligible, you have to currently receive at least $100 from an approved reemployment assistance program, and you have to show that the pandemic has caused you to be unemployed or partially unemployed. We're told payments will be retroactive to August 1st. Stephen Ponson, 104.5 WOKV.
I love this story. Young Eleanor Manton of England, who just happens to have Down syndrome, has been chosen to model in children's line JoJo Man and Baby's latest catalog.
Mom and Dad tell local media they are so proud, explaining it's important for people like Eleanor to be seen in the mainstream media, promoting inclusivity. Kristen Goodwin, Fox News.
WOKV News Time, 7:55.
Can you do that one again, JoJo? What is it?
I practiced it. I practiced this morning. I believe it is JoJo Manin Bebe.
Okay. Weather and
You're
traffic.
welcome, everybody.
Is it man and baby? Weather and traffic every 6 minutes on Jacksonville's only all-news morning show. CBS 47, Fox 30, Action News Jack's chief meteorologist, Mike Burrish with the first alert forecast.
A 7 on the WOKV weather meter. Another hot and humid day today under partly sunny skies with just an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Highs in the low to mid-90s, but feel like temperatures well above 100 degrees. Fair to partly cloudy tonight in the mid-70s. Partly sunny tomorrow. Scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms start to increase with a high of 93. And partly sunny with afternoon showers and storms Saturday and in the low 90s. With your first alert forecast, I'm Action News Jack's chief meteorologist, Mike Burrish, for 104.5 WOKV.
Calm winds, so kind of a stale feeling air this morning. Warm and humid. It's stuffy. 82 degrees along the beach. We're at 81 now in Ortega, 76 in Fruit Cove, and 78 at Jacksonville's severe weather station.
Now, Safe Touch Security First Alert Traffic.
Drivers leaving downtown here, Sherry with the FDOT, Level 1 Traffic Center.
This crash we've been following now for almost 2 hours still has the 2 right lanes blocked. This is 95 northbound just before the MLK Parkway. Your ride out of downtown between I-10 and Airport Road is almost 17 minutes.
This report is brought by New South Factory Direct Windows. New South is Florida's Factory Direct Window Company. They manufacture, install, and guarantee both their products and installation for life. One company, one call. For a limited time, save 35% off Factory Direct Windows and doors. Visit newsouthwindow.com. With Jacksonville's most frequent traffic, I'm Ryan Riley.
The plan by Duval County Public Schools to release information about coronavirus cases is hitting a setback. On WOKV's Sarah Thompson and coming up, what the district says the issue is and how it involves the state of Florida.
And what ultimately this is going to mean in terms of transparency going forward into the new school year. We'll sit down live with Superintendent at about 8:05. WOKV News Time, 7:58.
Starting Monday, August 31st, the return of Diamonds Direct's most incredible offer ever. 5 years, 0 interest financing with nothing down on any purchase. This is a limited time offer and it starts next Monday. 5 years, 0 interest. Any purchase. Details, diamondsdirect.com.
Rubber Automobile moves America's still driving. We've been powering through life's ups and downs for over 200 years. We've battled through world wars, the Dust Bowl, and 70s hairstyles. America's still driving, and so is Rubber Automobile. We want to keep you driving by offering huge dealer savings on top of current rebates. We're still driving America, and with Carver's lifetime powertrain warranty, you know we're in it with you for the long haul. CarverAutomall.com. Carver Automall. All American, all in one place.
WOKV-FM and HD1 Atlantic Beach. Listen everywhere in the WOKV app. 104.5 WOKV, the Cox Media Group station.
Sometimes in business,